Hi there, and welcome to 3Spoonies. We're your hosts, Joe, Karen, and Claire. And I have a frog in my throat. This episode is episode 28.5, where we're back with Lawrence discussing budgeting when you're neurodivergent. So let's get into some questions.
Are you drowning in admin, struggling to keep up with emails, invoices, social media, or the endless to-do list that comes with running a business? Then it's time to call in Vicki Admin Fairy, an award-winning virtual assistant who brings order to admin chaos. Vicki works with all entrepreneurs, regardless of their background or abilities, to take care of the time-consuming tasks that slow you down. Whether it's managing emails, sorting financial admin, handling social media, chasing late payments, the list is endless. She saves business owners hours every week, reducing stress and ensuring everything runs smoothly. With 25 years of experience, a flexible, client-focused approach, and a reputation for going above and beyond, Vicki adapts to your needs, making your business more efficient so you can focus on what you do best. And the best part? You'll have more free time to grow your business, boost profits, or just enjoy life without admin headaches. Want to free up your time and get your business running more smoothly? Visit www.vickyadminfairy.co.uk or email hello@vickyadminfairy.co.uk to find out how Vicki can help you.
So, welcome back. I am Joe from Bright Cat Business Solutions.
I'm Karen from Pony Pony Pony.
I'm Claire from Sparkle's Gift Boutique.
And together we're 3Spoonies navigating our way through life and business with not enough spoons. And today is our community questions. We're back with Lawrence. Lawrence, if you'd like to give us a quick intro to you and what you do again.
Yeah, I'm Lawrence Watmore. I run Watmore Co Accounting, an accounting firm for neurodivergent entrepreneurs and business owners. We specialize our tailored services for those business owners.
Fabulous, and it's good to know it's not just us that can't word properly. So it's Karen who's got lots of questions for us.
Three, but
There could be lots.
You should have a lot of three, I suppose. Yeah, no, that's fair. So first question is from Elaine. She says, I've been told that splitting money into envelopes for different budgets, entertainment, exercise, travel, etc. is a good idea, but I hate handling cash. Is there a way to keep track of your mini budgets online?
Yes. Some banks now, mostly the online banks, have pots for different things. So using those pots as your envelopes would be the way that I would suggest that. Nice and quick.
That seems very reasonable. The next one is from Reiko. She says, I have a seasonal business. How do I make sure I save enough money in the good months to get me through the quiet ones?
Have a budget of your expenses. So if you have a budget for your expenses and you know what your yearly expenses are, then you'll know how much you need to save. A budget would be how I deal with that. If you're using a accounting software, then you should be able to build a budget on that. Or if you're using spreadsheets, then you should be able to build a budget on that. Same kind of answer there. But having a budget for the year of your expenses so that you know how much money you spend every year, you'll know how much money you need to save.
Yeah, that seems like good advice. And especially if you're counting all the little bits you forget, like TV license, or if you've got an Audible subscription or whatever, all those little bits and bobs that can add up.
Yeah, go through your bank statements to see. If you're self-employed, then you need to do it for both yourself and your business separately. The biggest one will be your personal, because you will have a lot of monthly expenses going through that. Your business will have what it needs for your business. If there's things that blur that line, then it gets a bit tricky. But definitely budget for the year so you know your expenses and you know how much money you need to have. That would be my suggestion.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So good luck for your busy months, Reiko, and I hope they're not too busy.
Yeah.
Next one is from Sophie. She says, I'm in my 3rd year of business. I very heavily reinvested in the business the first 2 years and struggled to pay tax at the end. What you said about putting the pots aside, that would help with that. But obviously you can't go back in time, Sophie. We've all been there. This time around, I should actually have lots of spare cash. Well done to you. Is it better to do something useful with it, with the extra cash, or enjoy it?
Enjoy it. I would say enjoy it. You've made it. But also take into account that you did struggle to pay tax at the end of the year. So maybe put some aside. I'll always say save what you can and spend the rest. Because if you don't spend the rest, where's your happiness going? The other thing that you would be able to do is probably pay in advance. So you've got your standard payments on accounts. That's kind of standard from being self-employed. But you can also pay in advance on top of your payments on accounts. Yeah. Save what you can, spend the rest.
I like
I'll
that.
be happy with that.
Advice.
I try and keep it really short. So we've set aside sort of like 30 minutes and I've answered them in 5. I do apologize.
No, that's absolutely fine. I think sometimes simple advice is what you need, and sometimes things can be overcomplicated and nothing goes in. Short, succinct, to the point. We like that. That's good.
The thing that I was talking about with you're able to pay HMRC other than the payments on accounts, you can pay in advance. It's called the HMRC budgeting account, I think, where you can put money into it, or you can say, okay, I'm looking to spend this much money for the year, and HMRC can allow you to set up a direct debit. So you just pay that per month, and that'll actually add up to your payment on account anyway. So that is a brilliant way if you need to automate things and get things out of your hands. For example, if you see money and it just disappears out of your hand because you spend it on everything, then something like
I spent on everything.
Yeah, but the HMRC budgeting tool definitely helps there.
That is a good thing. Okay, well, in that case, you've answered all our questions. Please plug your accountancy practice and what you do.
Okay, our accountancy practice is called Watmore Co. You can find us at watmoreandco.com. We are a specialist accountancy firm which helps neurodivergent entrepreneurs and business owners with their services effectively. If you find that you have social anxiety and you don't want to meet new people, you can work through a nominated person. If you find that you need a certain way of communicating, we'll communicate however you need us to. If there's something that you don't know and you want to check, we have an hour free consultation so that we can help you without you needing to pay anything on the first round, and then we can see what we can do in the future. That is Watmore Co Accounting. Thank you.
Thank you, Lawrence. Go check them out, because if you're anything like us, you're now interested.
Definitely interested. I think it's definitely needed as well.
So thank you for joining us for us 3Spoonies on this episode of Community Questions for Budgeting When You're Neurodivergent. We'd love to know your thoughts in the comments and any questions you have. And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe for our weekly podcast and leave us a review. You can find us on all the social medias. Links will be in the show notes. And we'd love it if you join us in the Business Success Network for Disabled Entrepreneurs Facebook group. You can also find Lawrence there, and if you'd like to harass him for his services. You can also buy us a coffee if you like what we do. Again, the links will be in the show notes. And we'll see you next week for our next topic on outsourcing. Have a great day and keep track of your spoons.